Hi guys.
Hey everybody. Welcome. Today we have 12 items going out.
12.
Yes, not a whole lot, but we have some really good quality ones, so we still want to share with you.
Yeah, and one really good one that I had. I'm super excited to share it with you guys.
Yeah, that sold really fast.
I know.
Oh my gosh, let's get right to it.
Okay.
So first going out on eBay, we have this really nice new tags Joseph Abode Hyde Park Holiday Espresso Zip Sweater Cardigan. Now, Michelle, you found this one here and you listed it on Poshmark. I went ahead and cross-listed it on eBay and I went ahead and sold there for $39.99. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're actually going to find that upstairs in Michelle's inventory area, so we'll go up there later.
The Attic of Wonders.
Exactly, that's what we call it. And also on eBay, we only had 2 on eBay. Oh my gosh, this is just strange. But we had a movie set going out on eBay. If you remember Jim Carrey back in the day, oh my gosh, one of my favorite movies, Ace Ventura, Pet Detective.
Oh, you sold that?
Yes.
I love that with the baby bird. Pretty bird, pretty birdie.
Ooh, that one was Dumb and Dumber. That one.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, that one was not in this lot.
That was a good one, though.
But I absolutely love that movie. So we had the set of Ace Ventura and the Kale Guy. Whoa, we were
Wow, mechanical failure.
Yes, we had those go out for $10.99, free shipping. Not the hugest sale, but we're bringing those good movies to those good fans. Somebody's gonna get some laughs.
Well, and a little bit adds up. We know that, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah. You know, and it takes no time to sell these DVDs and things like that. So anyway, they're in here. They're in a little rubber band, probably under Jim Carrey or something, but we're gonna find those too. Okay, so when we go on to, let's do Mercari. So we have a pair of headphones that sold. Now these are Sony headphones. They're foldable. They went for $10 on Mercari here, plus shipping.
Mercari.
So I actually had multiple pairs of these right here. Like 2 or 3 pairs, $10.99. I'm not gonna pick these ones up again, this particular model, because they sat around for a while, so that's okay. Also, we have a Nike Keystone 11-inch baseball glove. We found this, you'll probably remember us finding this in a video where we stopped at a barn. All of a sudden, it was like sort of raining out, but there was this sale. We stopped there, we found a whole bunch of stuff. The lady was super nice, gave us all these good deals, including this baseball glove, which we got $18 for on Mercari.
Yeah, Mercari, who would have thought?
Hey,
that's what cross-listing does.
That's what cross-listing does, absolutely. And List Perfectly makes it so easy to do. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Now we're gonna find this glove in bin H, which is actually over here. Okay, bin H. Here we go. All right, here it is, right here. It even has some writing on there. You wanna, disclose that to your customers, let them know. Sometimes they don't mind, they'll just put their name right over it, so just let them know. All right, so next going out on Mercari, we got something upstairs is for you, but actually something down here that we have are 2 Starbucks iridescent ceramic mugs here that Michelle, you had picked up not too long ago. You know how much we like Starbucks mugs. We did a whole show on them, and you'll find those over here.
These are cool ones too. They look like gasoline sort of.
Yeah, like the ombre, got the really cool.
Yeah.
Starbucks.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, so we got a pair of those going out, and those went for $18.90. We took an offer. They had been sitting there for a while, and we just, sure, all right, $18.90, good round number, we'll take it. Okay. Now there's a couple more on Mercari, but we're gonna go ahead and do those upstairs, including our biggest sale of the week, which was really cool. That sold so quick, and Michelle's gonna tell you all about that in just a little bit. So, well, we'll move on to Poshmark right now, and there's some things down here that sold on Poshmark, like a DVD on Poshmark. Hey, cool. This one is the Flamingo Kid. This was with Matt Dillon back in 1984. This was still new and sealed, and we got $12 plus shipping on Poshmark. So somebody paid around $20 just for this one DVD, actually. And here it is right here, right in the F. There we go. $12 plus shipping. And down here, selling on Poshmark is something that I don't normally sell, which is maternity jeans.
Did you get those from me?
No.
In the Attic of Wonders?
No, I'm sorry. Actually, you know, these I found in this little ma and pa, like American Legion thrift store that was closing down. Unfortunately, they had a leaky roof. It was like a neighborhood honey hole for me for a long time, and unfortunately they closed down. And when they did, they're like, basically, a lot of this stuff is free, and so I just started stuffing bags. You know? I saw these maternity pants. I'm like, somebody's got to, you know, these are specialty pants.
Well, lots of people have kids, right?
Yeah, you know. So, specialty pants. I thought, hey, what the heck? I'm going to grab a few pair. This is like the third pair that is sold. This went for $16 on Poshmark. So, I'm pretty proud of myself.
Way to go, baby!
Some maternity pants all by myself.
Rounding out the inventory.
Exactly. Hey, you know, it's we'll try selling anything just about.
Yeah.
All right. Now, another really cool thing that went out on Mercari. I took an offer today. You'll find me finding this in a video a very long time ago at the Goodwill bins back in Minnesota. A friend of mine gave me this here. He was like, hey, you know I like the sports stuff and whatever, so we did a little trade outside, and he gave me this right here, I think for, I don't know, like $5 or $10 or something. And this sold for $14 on Mercari. So, hey, cool. Sat around for a while, found the right buyer finally on Mercari after cross-listing it from eBay.
We're like a broken record, but it's changed our lives, and that's why we keep sharing it with you. Literally.
It really has. List Perfectly has just made our sales go through the roof, really. I mean, it's been really great. So check it out. 30% off your first month if you use our link down in the description there. So go ahead and check that out for sure. All right, another thing that was cross-listed from Poshmark, I believe. I cross-listed on eBay and Mercari, but they sold on Mercari for $59. This is a pretty cool jumpsuit sweat set, Nike on-field, the New York Jets. So that was pretty cool. It was like a size like 4XL or something. So, you know, it took a little bit to find the right buyer, but you know those large sizes really sell.
They do. That's where you should be.
Absolutely. So we are going to go ahead and find that in bin B right over here. All right. So
I remember finding this, and I was so happy that I found the matching set.
yeah, didn't you find like the sweatpants like the next day or something?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean this is a lot of material here. 4XL. 4XL sells. And again, yeah, $59.99 for that, or $59 for that sweatsuit. So we're super happy about that. Now, that's it for Poshmark down here. So I believe that we'll be heading upstairs to grab a couple of things in Michelle's Attic of Wonders. So let's go out there.
All right, you have to help me with where I'm going.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so first when we get up there, I believe we have a hat, a Yankees hat. And I think that is in bin A.
Bin A, yeah. I
Yes.
remember. When I first started getting organized. Oh, here it is, right here, right?
Yes, that is the one.
Okay,
so
good.
That's the 47 Twins Flex Fit. That sold for $16.
And if you watched our video about hats, you'll see that this special embroidery on here is one of the things that makes this hat special.
Yep, look for things that make, you know, things that are written all over. That right there is sort of like a script. That's a keyword that you would use for what type of lettering that is. So, awesome sale there, honey.
Thanks.
Yes.
I learned it from you.
So, on Mercari up here, we are going to find in bin Q4 a pair of Lululemon women's slight flare leggings. Size 12. Oh, here we go. Here's Q4.
Oh my gosh, these leggings are awesome. I just listed them too because they're the perfect size. Are these Oh, that's the...
Ooh, these ones look like they're black.
They're black. Okay. Digging.
Yeah, and those sold for $29.
These are... they're right all the way in the bottom. Okay, here they are.
All right, we found them. Good deal. 29 bucks. Lululemon, of course, you know that name that, you know, it's probably gonna sell and for a decent amount of money, right?
Mm-hmm. Larger sizes, though. Larger sizes.
For sure. All right, so actually the last one of the day that's our best sale of the day is a vintage New York City, United States made Coach crossbody bag.
Yes. Look how beautiful this is. So pretty.
Now
Yes.
tell us about that.
Okay, so I went into a garage sale, and inside of the garage, on the coil for the garage door, were some bags hanging. And I noticed everybody in the garage was kind of looking at the floor. So I look up, and there's 3 Coach bags. And I know by looking at them that they're the New York City old legit. I paid $5 and got all 3 of them. All 3 of them for $5. I couldn't believe it. So yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah, it's taken me a while to actually list them because I have so much up here in this attic of wonders, but it took about 6 hours to sell.
Yeah,
I know I probably listed it for less, but you know what? It was an awesome sale.
Yeah, oh my gosh. $117 that you paid. Just like that. In like, what, 6 hours you say it took to sell?
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Really grateful.
Absolutely, guys. So when you go out there and you get those super scores on 3 Coach purses for $5 and get them all listed really quickly, oh my gosh, guys, congratulations. And congratulations on your weekend sales.
Yeah, good luck. I hope you guys have an awesome week of sales.
Mm-hmm. And we can't wait to see you until next time, guys.
Well, we'll see you on Saturday night for sure.
Oh yeah, and Tuesday, and Thursday.
And every day at 8 o'clock.
Every day at 8 o'clock, basically, yeah.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
That's up to you.